This hair must grow by fire, by force. So I've always struggled with hair retention and like healthy hair in general. My hair always cuts before it even grows to any significant length. I've decided no more. I'm going to treat my hair right. I'm going to go the whole natural route. This is the year for but this is the half of the year for this hair to grow right, grow correctly. My natural hair journey is starting today.
Wow.
My hair always cuts, it's always breaking, it's very flaky. I used to call it grass hair because it's like grass. I'm sure a lot of people can relate. It's not heavy, it's very light, very porous, and the ends are split. The edges aren't that awesome, you know. But this time around, I'm going to take it the 100 mile, the full mile. And I'm going to make sure that my hair journey, my natural hair journey, is the bomb. So I got some hair products. I had to actually do a little research and find the best products to use. People that are swearing up and down that their products are magical, their products are the best for hair retention, hair growth, healthy hair, especially for natural girls, natural hair. So you're going to be unboxing this with me. So this is the first product I got, and it was delivered pretty quickly, like very fast. So it's not it's not free advertising, you guys. I'm not giving them free advertising until I see that it starts working. If it starts working, then by all means. But for now, nope. So these are the products. Have a thank you note. We have this is my favorite product. It's a conditioning spray. In fact, hold on, let me show you properly. Okay, so these are the products. There's a leave-in 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner. This one you spray on your hair. It's the Rice Bran Deep Conditioner. This one you put it in the hair and leave for a while, then you wash it off. This one you don't actually wash it off. Then this is the shampoo. I love the shampoo. It has like mint. It's like a black soap kind of shampoo. It's very foamy, and it also has mint to leave your hair refreshed. That's it. I'm doing ad for these people. But anyway, this is the leave-in butter. I've not tried this before, so I'll see how that one goes. It's the scalp toner. I don't know what this one is for. The hair rejuvenating and growth oil. I love this one too. I've used it before and I actually saw changes, but I was not consistent. So the next product I got was Nubian. This one I had to check the reviews and see that they're actually positive, a lot of positive feedbacks. Yeah, they had a lot of positive reviews, feedback, people giving testimonials and all that. I got the refresh hairspray. It helps hydrate your hair. I got the this one is called hair growth meal. It looks very rich, with a lot of residue at the bottom. And then I got another deep conditioner. This one is with amla and fenugreek. So yeah, these are the two products I'm going to be using, and I hope they actually work based on the feedback and the reviews that I've seen. I hope they actually work for me as well. And last but not least, okay, no, before then, I'm going to measure the hair at the starting point and see where it's at and where it's going to be, so that we can keep track of the progress, see if the products are working. So this is my tape. I'm going to put it at the root, very root of the hair. Press it there, and then let's see. Okay. Right. Oh, it's on 8 exactly. It's on 8 inches exactly. Okay, so we're going to see how fast this works, or even if it works at all, using this length. And also the fullness. You guys saw how scanty it is, so it will also judge based on how full it gets, how healthy it looks, and all that. And then last but not the least, I'm going to be using as many hair bonnets, as many scarves, as many hair ties and all that I could get, just so that I'm sure, sorry, they kept falling down, just so that I'm sure that I'm locking the moisture in my hair and it's not getting dry and breaking every time I sleep and wake up, because the moisture is getting sucked out. So I'm going to be using these ones. This is where I actually suck, because I forget to tie my hair. I forget to tie my hair at night. I forget to use a bonnet at night. Or even if I manage to tie the hair in the morning, the scarf has already gone to one corner of the bed and my hair is just there. So, but I'm going to be using this bonnet and we'll see how that goes. Thank you for watching. Bye.